Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Shut the water at the supply valve or at least note its position and flush once to lower the tank level. Remove the tank lid carefully and place it on a soft towel so it won't chip. Look straight into the tank, check that the flapper seats fully, that the chain has slight slack, and that the float isn't stuck. These quick checks tell you whether to adjust the chain, reposition the float, or replace the flapper next. Once inside the tank, focus on the mechanism. If the chain is too long, shorten it so the flapper seals but still lifts fully when you press the flush lever. If it's too short, add a link. Next, adjust the float, either by bending the rod slightly, moving the clip, or turning the float tube screw, so the water stops about 1/2 inch below the overflow tube. Make small changes, then restore water slowly and observe the flapper's movement to confirm. If adjustments didn't fix it, remove the old flapper and install a new, compatible flapper. Ensure its tabs align with the pegs and the chain has 1 to 2 inches of slack. Retighten any fill valve adjustments you made, turn the water fully back on, and run 2 to 3 test flushes while watching for slow drops or continuous running. If you still see leaking or water rising into the overflow, double-check the overflow height and fill settings. If persistent, contact a plumber to rule out valve or seat damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.